Hello and welcome back to Revire IAS. In previous class, we learned basics about ratio and we solved some problems. In this video, let us understand the concept proportion in detail and do few more practice. As I told in earlier video, when two ratios are equal, they are said to be in proportion. If A by B is equals to C by D, then A, B, C and D are said to be in proportion and represented as A is to B as C is to D. Here A and D are called extremes and B and C are called means. Here there is a rule, that is product of extremes is equal to product of means. That is A into D is equals to B into C. For example, 2 by 3 equals to 4 by 6, represented as 2 is to 3 as 4 is to 6. And here product of extremes is equals to product of means. 2 into 6 is equals to 3 into 4, which is nothing but 12. In proportion, A is to B as C is to D. A is called first proportional and B is called second proportional and C is called third proportional. Again D is called fourth proportional. For example, if I am having a proportion 2 is to 3 as 4 is to 6, 2 is our first proportional, 3 is second proportional, 4 is our third proportional and 6 is the fourth proportional. Let's say there is another proportion that looks like this. A is to B as B is to C. Here A is the first proportional, B is mean proportional and C is called third proportional. If I have an example, 1 is to 4 as 4 is to 16. Here 1 is the first proportional, 4 is mean proportional and 16 is third proportional. Here there are some questions based on proportions. First question is find first proportional to 8, 15 and 24. First proportional is A and second proportional is 8, third proportional is 15 and fourth proportional is 24. We know that product of means is equals to product of extremes. So 24A is equals to 15 into 8, 120. And our first proportional A equals to 5. Find second proportional to 5, 15 and 24. First proportional is 5 and second proportional is B. Third proportional is 15 and fourth proportional is 24. Again 15B equals to 24 into 5, 120. B, that is second proportional, is equals to 8. Third question is find third proportional in 5, 8 and 24. So first proportional is 5 and second proportional is 8. Third proportional is C and fourth proportional is 24. 8C is equals to 24 into 5, that is 120. C is equals to 15. Third proportional is 15. Find fourth proportional to 5, 8 and 15. First proportional is 5, second proportional is 8 and our third proportional is 15 and fourth proportional is D. Again by the rule of proportion, 5 into D is equals to 8 into 15, that is 120 and our D is equals to 24. D is nothing but fourth proportional. Fourth proportional is 24. The next question is find first proportional to 15 and 25. First proportional is A, mean proportional is 15 and the third proportional is 25. Product of extremes, 25A is equal to product of means. 15 into 15, 225 and A is equals to 9. So the formula to find out first proportional here is B square by C. Next question is find mean proportional between 9 and 25. They have given the first proportional as 9 and mean proportional is B. Third proportional is 25. B square is equals to 25 into 9, 225, and B is equals to 50. Here the formula to find out mean proportional is square root of AC. Next one, find third proportional to 12 and 30. First proportional 12, mean proportional 30, and third proportional C. 12 into C equals to 30 into 30, 900, and C is equals to 75. So formula to find out third proportional here is B square by A. So this is basics about proportion. Now let us solve some questions. If A is to B is 5 is to 9 and B is to C is 4 is to 7, then find A is to B is to C. A is to B is 5 is to 9 and B is to C is 4 is to 7. 5 times 4 is 20, 9 times 7 is 63 and 9 times 4 is 36. Then A is to B is to C is 20 is to 36 is to 63. Next question is, if 0.75 is to x as 5 is to 8, then find x. 0.75 is 3 by 4 into 8 is equals to 5 into x. 5x is equals to 6. X is equals to 6 by 5, which is nothing but 1.2. Divide 672 rupees in the ratio 5 is to 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 unit is representing 672 here. If 8 units represent 672 rupees, then 5 units represents 420 rupees. And if 8 units is representing 672 rupees, then 3 units is representing 252 rupees. The next question is, a bag contains 50 paisa, 25 paisa and 10 paisa coins in the ratio of 5 is to 9 is to 4, amounting to rupees 206. Find the number of coins of each type. Let the number of coins be 5x, 9x and 4x. The bag contains 50 paisa, 25 paisa and 10 paisa. 50 paisa is nothing but 1 by 2 rupees, 25 paisa 1 by 4 and 10 paisa 1 by 10. Total value is 5x by 2, 9x by 4 and 4x by 10. They have given the total value, that is 206. 5x by 2 plus 9x by 4 plus 4x by 10 equals to 206. If I simplify it, 50x plus 45x plus 8x is equals to 4120. And 103x is equals to 4120. X equals to 40. They have asked to find the number of coins of each type, 5x, 9x and 4x. This is the number of coins. So 5 into 40, 200, 9 into 40, 360, 4 into 40, 160. There are 200 50 paisa coins, 360 25 paisa coins and 160 10 paisa coins. And the fifth question is, a mixture contains alcohol and water in the ratio 4 is to 3. If 5 liters of water is added to the mixture, the ratio becomes 4 is to 5. Find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. Ratio of alcohol and water is 4 is to 3. That means there is 4x liters of alcohol and 3x liters of water. Now 5 liters of water is added to the mixture. Add 5 here. Now the ratio becomes 4 is to 5, which means 4x by 3x plus 5 equals to 4 by 5. If I simplify it, 2x equals to 5, x equals to 2.5. They have asked to find the quantity of alcohol in the given mixture. Quantity of alcohol is 4x. So 4 into 2.5, which is nothing but 10. The next question is, ratio of earnings of A and B is 4 is to 7. If the earnings of A increase by 50% and those of B is decreased by 25%, the new ratio of the earnings becomes 8 is to 7. What are A's earning? The earning of A is 4x and the earning of B is 7x. It is said that earnings of A is increased by 50% and 150% of 4x is 6x. And that of B decreased by 25%. So 75% of 7x is 3.85x. And 6x divided by 3.85x is equals to 8 by 7. That is, they have given the ratio of new earning. If I further reduce it, they become same on both the sides. This equation shows that x can be any value as it cancels out on both sides. Therefore, we cannot determine the exact value in A's earning. So, given data is insufficient here. Since the total earnings are unknown, A's earning can't be determined. Seventh question. What least number must be subtracted from each of the numbers 14, 17, 34 and 42 so that the remainders may be proportional? 14, 17, 34 and 42. Let us assume that x is subtracted from each number. 14 minus x, 17 minus x, 34 minus x and 42 minus x. We know that in proportion A into D is equals to B into C. That is, product of extremes is equal to product of means. So product of extremes 14 minus x into 42 minus x equals to product of means 17 minus x into 34 minus x. If I simplify it, 588 minus 14x minus 42x plus x square equals to 578 minus 17x minus 34x plus x square, which will reduce to 5x equals to 10 and x equals to 2. So 2 should be subtracted from every number. Here is another question. In a mixture of 60 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 2 is to 1. If this ratio is to be 1 is to 2, then the quantity of water to be further added is, there is 60 liters of mixture. In that there is 2 parts of milk and 1 part of water. 2 parts of 60 is 40. 40 liters of milk and the remaining 20 liters of water. They have asked the quantity of water to be further added, that is 20 plus x, to become the ratio 1 is to 2. That is 40 by 20 plus x equals to 1 by 2, which is nothing but 80 equals to 20 plus x and x equals to 60. So 60 liters of water is to be added. Ninth question. The prices of scooter and TV are in the ratio 7 is to 5. If the scooter costs rupees 8,000 more than a TV set, then the price of TV set is. Scooter costs 8,000 more than TV sets. So the difference is 8,000 rupees. Here the difference is 2 units. If 2 units is representing 8,000 rupees, then the price of TV set is 5 units, which is nothing but 20,000 rupees. And this is the last question. An amount of 2,430 is divided among A, B, and C such that if their shares be reduced by rupees 5, rupees 10, and rupees 15 respectively, the remainders shall be in the ratio 3:4:5. Then B's share was. Let the share of A, B, C be 3x plus 5 rupees, 4x plus 10 rupees, and 5x plus 15 rupees. Then the total amount is 12x plus 30 equals to 2,430. 12x equals to 2,400 and x equals to 200. And we need to find the B share. B share is 4x plus 10. 4 into 200 plus 10, which is nothing but 810. So the B share is rupees 810. So this was about ratio and proportion, and we have tried to cover maximum types of problems here. And we are coming up with many more concepts in next videos. So stay tuned. Thank you.